Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Commerce with Namita. In today's session, we will talk about financial regulatory bodies in India. This is my third video on this topic. In previous two videos, I have discussed about Reserve Bank of India, SEBI and IRDA. In this video, I will talk about pension funds and NABARD. So let's start. Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority was established by Government of India on 23rd August 2003. It was set up with an aim to promote, develop, regulate the pension system in India. It administrates and regulates National Pension System. It is a pension scheme introduced by government and also administrates Atal Pension Yojana. While the pension system was initially introduced for government employees, but now it is extended to all the citizens of India. The head office is in New Delhi. Let's move to the function of PFRDA. First, it regulates NPS and pension scheme. Establish, develop and regulate pension funds. It protects the interest of pension fund subscribers. It also educates subscriber and the general public with respect to pension, retirement saving and related issues. It promotes professional organization connected with the pension system. Next is NABARD. NABARD stands for National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. The Indian economy, the post-independence, was an agriculture economy. After independence, the focus was mainly on manufacturing and trade sector of the economy to boost the development. However, a major part of population in India lives in the rural sector and it is important to develop rural financial activities. This is why the government set up NABARD. It was established on 12 July 1982. It is an apex development financial institution in India. The head office is in Mumbai. It is responsible for the development of small industries, cottage industries and also villages and rural projects. Let's see some functions of NABARD. It promotes and develops refinancing, financing, planning, monitoring and supervision of rural sector. Second, refinance to financial institution, rural financial institutions like Regional Rural Bank for investment credit and production marketing credit for the purpose of farm and off-farm activities in rural areas. It provides loans to state government for developing rural infrastructure. This is all about NABARD and pension funds. This is the small summary of all my previous video. In this table, I have given the regulating agencies and its regulating sector. RBI, it regulates banking and finance. Its establishment date is 1st April 1935. Its headquarters is in Mumbai. Second is SEBI. It regulates the capital market and stock market. Establishment date is 12th April 1992. Headquarters is in Mumbai. Third, IRDA. It stands for Insurance, Regulatory and Development Authority. It regulates the insurance sector in India. Year of establishment is 1999. Headquarters is in Hyderabad. Fourth is PFRDA. It stands for Pension Funds Regulatory and Development Authority. It regulates pension funds in our country. Establishment date is 23rd August 2003. Headquarter is in New Delhi. Fifth, NABARD stands for National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. This agency regulates the rural development of India. The establishment date is 12th July 1982. Headquarter is in Mumbai. So this is the short summary of all my previous video. Thank you. I hope you understood all the financial regulatory of our country. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the video.